Hello. I have a small haul from the Goodwill. I was thinking I was missing something because the Goodwill in Aberdeen was so excellent with the Halloween stuff. So I tried the one here. And they have a big sign, Halloween headquarters. All they have is that new stuff that's icky, that's brought in. It's not cool. In headquarters indeed. So that's my rant for the day. But I did find a few things. I got these wax melts for $2.99. This one is grapefruit, orange flower, and musk. Oh, that might be nice. And this smells kind of good. Ugh. And then this one is a unicorn dreams, plum blossom and magnolia. And it smells good too. And this is a Bath and Body Works. They're usually pretty good. It's called Intrigue. Captivating ambience of warm amber. I don't know. It smells good. What it smells like.
How much was that?
That was $3 for all of them. So that's a buck a piece. So that's okay. That's like dollar store price. So I'm okay with that. So that's that. And they had a bunch of Christmas stuff there. Brown tags were 75 off, which is very unusual for that stupid Goodwill. Even after Christmas, they don't discount their Christmas stuff. So that was weird for them. This is a Pier 1. Ooh, it's made in Japan. That's cute. But I thought he's really cute. $1.99. And I could put a little green tree in there. Or I can, you know. He's a really sweet little Santa. So, look at him. Look at him. He's cute. On a cute little cup that's like draped. It's supposed to be like his bag of toys. See? Yeah, super cute. They only had the one. And it looks like it's brand new. So that was 75% off of $1.99. So it's like 50 cents, I guess. Or something. And, oh, this was $49. It's a Syracuse restaurant wear mug, but it sort of matches my bowls I got yesterday that have the pretty dogwoods in them. So this was 49¢. I can also use this as decor too if I want, or I can drink coffee out of it. And oh, this was 75 off. It's vintage. It has these cute little holly, and it's footed. It looks in good shape. It's got gold trim. And it says Japan. Every time I do a video, that dog gets on that couch. Show her. Look at that. She never does this any other time. Yeah.
Coco.
Yeah.
Oh, now she stops.
Yeah, of course. See? She throws all my pillows on the floor. Taking advantage. Anyway, so this was 75% off of $1.99, which that was kind of nice. I don't know why they were doing 75 off their Christmas stuff. They haven't been taking donations at this store, so it's getting kind of thin. So we donated our old dining room set to Salvation Army, which I like Salvation Army better than Goodwill. The Goodwill CEO gets 6 figures. The Salvation Army CEO just gets expenses, in other words. And Salvation Army, I think, does more. That's my feeling on it. But I'll shop at the Goodwill because I don't have a lot of choice around here. This was only 99 cents. And it's, Buffalo china, which I think was like Syracuse china. And it's got this pretty green stripe. I saw in Robin Johnson took some of the bowls. They were footed Pottery Barn balls. That was it. And she put berries, like cranberries in here and a white candle. And it looks so pretty. So maybe I'll try that with this because I think it's super pretty and it's nice. Watch her, and next thing you know. And then this, I really love this so much. I think it's so pretty. So 75 off of $4.99. It's got a chip on it, but it's just for display. This will look nice in my china cabinet at Christmas time. And it's got these look like dogwoods. And the candles. Always like things with candles and poinsettias.
And bells.
And bells, yes. And a whole bell thing. The bell thing's neat.
They don't do that anymore.
No, they don't. And it's got some age because it's crazed. So I don't know how old exactly, but fairly old. But it's really, really pretty. I like the cream color, everything. I think it's very sweet. That was nice. And a surprise to find. And I got this, one of these vintage napkins. See, it's the one with the star on the side. It's got some, and I ordered these napkins from Amazon. Has them. You can get a pack of these. They're called long fold napkins, and it's a vintage one. What's it called? Drip cut product. Drip cut Starline. Oh, Starline. And it's made in the U.S. in Santa Barbara. Wow. So that's kind of nice. So it's $1.99. And I'm going to take it down the beach and use it. This is a nice one. It's got the feet on it and everything. And it seems to be in good shape because I got a lot of chrome down there too. I just like chrome. So I thought it was pretty in a nice kind of vintagey way. So that's what I got at the haul. Then I was going to show you, this is a picture of my witch lit up. I took it last night. So you can see she looks green at night. And it's kind of fun. So that's what she looks like. So kind of make it bigger. There you go. So it was super easy. Just any old kind of light you want to put on her. You could even get one of those little battery tea lights from the dollar store and stick back behind there and just set as long as you find a globe of some kind at the thrift store or Michael's or something, it's pretty easy. And then I was going to show these purses. I did a bunch of Halloween purses. Some of them are gone. I got these kitties. These are mostly all vintage. Yeah, these are all vintage designs. These seem to be good Halloween colors. So I really like this one. And this one because he's smoking a pipe.
Yeah,
he's sort of snazzy. So he's kind of cool. And the kitty. And here's another Halloween DIY. Wee! Want to play ball?
Yeah, scarecrow. Want to play ball?
This is that.
Make a beehive out of you.
This is that head that was on that flying ghoul thing that
Pretty.
was from the dollar store, and I ripped her head off of that apparatus. She has those arms, and she's supposed to be flying. But the head sculpt is kind of good. There's a lot of detail for
It wasn't painted.
It wasn't painted, no. I did the beautiful makeup on her. Yeah, she's had a makeover. Look at her. Her nose is a separate mold, which is sort of interesting in a weird way.
Yeah.
If you're into,
That's pretty interesting.
if you're into something weird. So I
Nice
just
buttons.
yeah, and these were thrifted. I don't remember from where, but I just made like a beach ball out of felt, and it's 8 pieces. Yeah, 8 pieces, and you just cut, like a thing like that, and sew them together, turn them inside out. I left an opening at the top. I jammed it in there with some glue and had a drawstring top and just tied it around her neck real tight. And then this is just some fun fur I glued on her head because she was bald. Dollar store didn't give her any hair. She had like a bonnet on.
Yeah.
And then I just made this simple witch hat. So this is sort of based loosely on those German little paper mache people and stuff. They kind of did stuff, weird critters like this. Yeah, so it's kind of fun. It was fairly easy. So I will see you later. Goodbye, my pretties.